what's up guys, my name is Ball6David and today I want to show you how to refund a game on Steam, how to request this refund. Where there is a condition in order to refund the game on Steam, you must play that game like less than 2 hours. So as you can see, I play 7 days for 2030 hours. That will be not possible. The Forest, over 100. Let's search The Witcher. I don't think I played that game very much. 4 hours. Damn it! It was 30 euro. What about Don't Starve? How many hours? I didn't even install the game. And I played Don't Starve together for like 3.9 hours. Almost 4 hours. Let's check if we can request a refund for Don't Starve. Because I didn't play that. I think I purchased that in 2017. Let's check. So to request a refund on Steam, you will have to go to manage your account. You'll see here your account, press on that, and now you'll have to press on account details. And right now you'll have to go here. You'll view purchase history. Let's press on this one, and here you have all the purchases you made on Steam, the history. Let's see where is Don't Starve. The Witcher and Don't Starve together was the last purchase in 2017. I was right. Let's press on that. I can't request a refund for Don't Starve together because I played 4 hours and The Witcher a lot of hours. Let's press on Don't Starve, just that. And after you select the game, you will have to select I would like a refund. Let's press on that. And we have to choose help me fix gameplay or technical issues, or I'd like to request a refund. Let's press on that again, and it doesn't let me because I played 4 hours of playtime. I don't think this will be possible because this was a bundle. So let's check something else. History. What else? Colony survival. I don't want to do that. Dungeon Creepster. What about this game? Let's check. It was 10 cents. Press on this one. Yes. I would like a refund. I would like a refund again. That's possible from what I see. I'm sure I didn't play that game. So let's say the game didn't met my expectations. And at the notes, I will just type the game didn't met my expectation, but you can type whatever reason you really want. So from here now, you will have to press on submit request, and it's done. We'll just have to wait. Usually don't take that much for the request, but don't forget that the condition is to be like you don't have to play that game more than 2 hours. Let's see if we can request something else. Let's go this one. I'm sure I didn't play that one. Yes, press on the game. I would like a refund. Again, I would like a refund. I didn't play the game, and that's it. Submit a request. And now it's in pending. And also I received an email regarding my request. If you purchase the game via Steam Wallet, you'll receive your money on the Steam Wallet. Or if you use a card, you'll receive the money on the card you purchase the game with. But if I remember right, if you purchase the game with a card, you are free to choose if you want to send the money to your card, or you want the money to get into Steam Wallet. Now guys, I really hope I helped you with this tutorial. If I helped you, don't forget to smash the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I want to wish you one more thing. Have the greatest day you can have.